Mold, those seemingly innocuous patches of fuzz or discoloration, can harbor a hidden menace. These tiny spores, invisible to the naked eye, float through the air, seeking a cozy spot to settle. When they find a damp, nutrient-rich environment, such as a neglected corner of your home, they thrive. But here's the catch. Mold isn't just an aesthetic nuisance, it's a potential health hazard. Sneezes and sniffles. Mold spores trigger allergic reactions in susceptible individuals. If you find yourself sneezing, sniffling, or dealing with a perpetually runny nose, mold might be the culprit. Itchy eyes and throat. Those itchy, watery eyes and that scratchy throat. Yep, mold can cause those too. When you breathe in mold spores, your immune system goes into overdrive, releasing histamines that lead to these uncomfortable symptoms. Asthma. Aggravation. If you have asthma, mold is a double-edged sword. Exposure to certain molds can worsen asthma symptoms, causing coughing, wheezing, and chest tightness. It's like adding fuel to an already smoldering fire. So you've spotted mold in your home. Maybe it's a small patch on the bathroom ceiling or a musty smell in the basement. Your first instinct might be to grab some bleach and tackle it yourself. But hold on. Here's why professional mold removal matters. Rapid spread. Mold doesn't wait around. It multiplies swiftly, breaking down organic materials, wood, drywall, and more. Swift action is crucial to prevent extensive damage. Health risks. Mold isn't just about aesthetics, it's about health. Breathing in mold spores can lead to respiratory issues, skin irritation, and allergic reactions. Protect yourself and your loved ones. FDP Mold Remediation is your ally in the battle against mold. Here's why they stand out. Certified professionals. Their team holds IICRC certifications in mold remediation. Translation: they know their stuff. Comprehensive solutions, from inspection to testing and full-scale remediation, they've got you covered. No half-baked solutions here. Clear communication. You'll never wonder what's happening. They keep you informed, from the initial quote to project completion. Timely completion. Mold waits for no one. FDP gets the job done on time and within budget. Cutting-edge techniques. Their advanced equipment detects and halts mold growth effectively. Structural drying. They isolate affected areas using HEPA filtration units, preventing further spread. Don't let mold compromise your well-being or property value. Reach out to FDP Mold Remediation today for a complete mold inspection. Their experienced team ensures a safe, mold-free environment for you and your family. Contact FDP Mold Remediation today at 877-421-2614 or visit our website.